Top 10 of the best Excel shortcuts you need to know. Excel is a very best tool. You just have to learn about many shortcuts for it. Almost everyone uses Excel in some form in the modern life. In order to help you work a little bit faster, or maybe more efficiently, we have assembled top 10 of the best Excel shortcuts that you really need to know. Number 1. Alt plus is equal to. Automatically insert the sum function. The sum function is one of Excel's most useful formulas, and this keyboard shortcut makes it even very easier. The sum function is easily inserted into a workbook with the Alt plus is equal to shortcut. Microsoft beautifully implemented this keyboard shortcut because it auto-detects the adjacent range and tries to guess which cells should be included in the sum. Hit enter to complete the formula, and done. Number 2. F4. Repeat the last edit. Another powerful Excel shortcut is making good use of the F4 key. This will repeat your last action or edit. If you want to repaste something again or repeat a formatting, this key will save you a ton of time. Number 3. Alt plus enter. Start a new line in the same cell. This shortcut is handy for those of us who need to put a lot of data into one cell. It essentially functions as a line break inside of a cell. If you need to write a large paragraph inside a worksheet, knowing this function is essential. Number 4. Control plus pager. Go to the next worksheet. This command switches worksheet tabs to the left. And if we press Ctrl plus pager down, it will switch worksheet tabs to the right. Simple and very effective. Number 5. Control plus Shift plus and applies border to cells. Instead of navigating through endless menus, use this Excel shortcut to quickly add borders to the selected cells. Borders are generally a good idea to use if you want to organize your worksheet and make it appear more beautiful and professional. And if we press Alt plus H plus B plus A, it will automatically add all border on the selected all cells. Number 6. Control plus F12. Open another workbook. If you forgot that the data you needed was in another workbook, hit this shortcut and quickly open the Open File dialog box, and now you can open your another workbook quickly, working in. Number 7. Control plus spacebar. Select the entire column. Instead of using your mouse to click on the header, use this shortcut to automatically select the entire column that you are working in. This is really useful, and if we press Shift plus spacebar, it will automatically select the entire row that you are working in. Number 8. Control plus 0. Hide the active columns. Utilize this shortcut to hide any columns you currently have selected. And if you will press Ctrl plus 9, it will hide any rows you currently have selected. Number 9. Ctrl plus F2 to open the print preview window. Utilize this shortcut to open the print preview windows quickly. Number 10. Alt plus H to choose a fill color. Utilize this shortcut to choose a fill color quickly.
तो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो से आपने कुछ सीखा हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।